we got ourselves on home duty, so let's go ahead. Doing check lights and everything, y'all. Oh shit. Well, last time I locked myself up the other day, that was not fun at all. Not fun at all. My gloves on. Bro. Oh, sorry guys, my stuff is kind of like in the mess, so. Oh shit. My stuff is kind of everywhere. I'm gonna need these in a bit. Cool. Lights work. Everything looks good here. Cool. Cool. Kingpin. Nobody fucking pulled it. It's like a real sleepy here. I really don't want to fall. Cool. Cool. That's cool. Oh shit, see look. That's what every time I almost just fell. Oh, that's cool right there. Alright. Well, I mean, maybe if I start walking on the fucking ice. Genius. Oh. That one don't look too good. Alright. What sucks about this one, these things get in the way, so I can't really check the inner one the way I want to. But I mean, it's kind of hard to do that. Put that shit in the way. Yeah. Cool. That's cool. Lights. That looks good. That's the part where we get dirty, guys. God damn. Wow. Forgot I gotta open on that side for some reason. Yep. Let's check this out. Okay, everything looks cool. Coolant, hoses. Good, good. Oh, hold on. Actually, matter of fact, just reminded me. Just reminded me. Yeah, he had to say nothing. I just remembered. I'll check the oil on this shit.
Oh!
Yeah, this shit's a little too black. It's a little too dark. Put it back in. Put it back in there. Take it back out. Oh shit. Alright. Okay, okay. Oh, this is a way a bit. Cool. Everything looks alright. This shit got a lump on it. Is that supposed to be like that? Okay. Tires is alright. Alright. Close this up. was kind of loud. That back up there. Oh. Alright, let's go throw this trash away. Oh fuck, I'm gonna get oil on my damn hands. But yeah guys, this is what the yard looks like. This is a far better come up than where I was at previously. Oh, there, fucking Western Express. If you know, you know. I'm just blessed that I got to work here, bro. I have no idea. I just do not know. Those are all the trucks that are getting prepped for, I guess, new hires. I'm kind of bummed out they didn't get the blue one, but I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I love this one. This is my baby right here. I'm talking about it came fully loaded. Literally has every single essential that you could possibly need. And I fell in love with it. Let's get it rolling. Get ourselves a coffee. We got the car. I don't feel like driving. Fuck. I got a hot chocolate. I ain't really getting no coffee tonight. I feel like drinking coffee. Shit, that's hot. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't know if I recorded the last little portion of it or not, but I mean, hey, we're gonna continue off here. All I heard was the GoPro started beeping and I was like, oh crap, bro, who's calling me, man? I wanna talk to y'all right now. Oh my God. The damn group chat, bro. I just spilled hot chocolate on my fucking hoodie. Not gonna lie, I never had hot chocolate from Dunkin'. It's pretty alright. It's alright. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's alright.
In half a mile, keep right. In 1100 feet, keep right onto West Eames Street.
Oh, there was a pilot here. Damn, I probably would've known. Cause like I wanted, like when I woke up, I originally wanted coffee, but like that truck stop I just stopped there earlier, it didn't have any like hot water. And then probably I know for a fact they do. And then when I was at the terminal, they didn't have any hot water either, so it was just like, might as well just got a hot chocolate, you know. But I mean, fuck it. You know what I am probably gonna buy though? Those meta glasses, the ones where you can record stuff. So I can get like a more discreet POV footage. Cause I feel like with the GoPro it's a little bit too attention seeking. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Follow Interstate 55.
But we're gonna make it work.
20 miles, take right
The meta glasses ain't cheap either. They're like $300. Yeah, we're gonna hold off on those for a minute. These potholes are fun to be the end of me. I thought the ones in Atlanta was bad. Yeah, I got to the ones in other states too, man. That ain't no joke. Not a joke at all. So we are currently in Minnesota at the moment. I'm about to take my 30-minute break right now. Yeah, it's really not even that cold outside for real. It's about like, what's the temperature? I don't know if you can see that, 41. Yeah, some small little rest area right here. Oh shit! I should do it. Hold on, let me fix that. My bad, y'all. But yeah. Probably just gonna give me like a little yogurt or something. Yogurts. A little bit of this right here under the yogurt. Ain't gonna do much, but this is really good. I'm gonna put all this back. Oh shit. This fell while I was driving. This is where we're currently at. sure everything's alright. Tires look cool. Oh, this is, oh, that's just a snake. Alright. It's about that time. Go ahead and head out. I'm trying to make sure everything looks alright. You living too. So I just parked for the night and did my shift. I come to a truck stop. You know, somebody hit that ram right there. I don't know, man. As soon as I pull in here, it's already some drama. And I haven't parked at a Flying J's in so long, bro. But look, it's just. I wish I could zoom into this shit. Can I? No, I can't. But yeah, I got the idea. I'm like in the state line of Minnesota, so I think I have about, let's see. I think I have, yeah, an hour 25. So I'm gonna wake up like around 4:30, pick it back up. I'm about to go eat, take a shower, and then I'll see y'all then. Hold on, y'all, just picked it back up. We're about to head in there right now, about like 3 minutes away. I think they open until 7. It's 6:43, so we'll see. Hopefully they might unload us early.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 179th Street Northwest. Now turn right.
Y'all about to see.
In half a mile, turn right.
Just got unloaded. Now let's go put the seal in. So I'm about to go fuel up next, and then after that we got about like 3 hours to get to that final stop, and then after that do one on the next stop. But the final stop, apparently the appointment ain't till like,
In half a mile, turn left.
that shit ain't till 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I'm probably doing chill. Like a love or something, but I'm gonna go fill up first, and then once we get there. Call my dispatch real quick. Shit.
Now turn left.
He didn't answer. Not surprised. my God, the def doesn't work on this one. Great. Just what I needed. Where's fueling? Fuel right there. Gotta make sure y'all log out times, man. Throw this away. Ooh. It sucks, but I mean, I have def, so. Oh my God. How should get dirty so quick? Bro. Bro, I just washed it too, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it, man. Oh, this shit don't look good. Yes, it is. I like the way that's set up. They need to put that over here. Alright. I'm not gonna lie. I really wish it was a bit colder, because I'm a cold kind of guy. I was expecting a little bit more chill. I'm giving it a little clean one. They're really not that dirty for real. This one too. God damn. Oh shit. Bruh. Anytime now. Bro, y'all see how dirty this is, bro? Had to make sure. We ain't getting no deaths today, so we'll be alright. We'll be alright.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto State Highway 23.
I'm gonna try to call this best one more time. Hopefully he answers. Yes, sir. So y'all, so it's the next day. I'm about like 12 minutes from the drop. So I'm about to head there now. I'm gonna go check in, see what I need. I mean, hopefully they don't take on the unload. It's really not that much. But we are gonna see.
Now turn right.
I kind of woke up late. I kind of wanted to get there like an hour early, but it is what it is.
In a quarter of a mile, keep right to join the Interstate 29 North.
y'all. So this is the last stop. Here in North Dakota. Oh shit, see, I'm falling and shit. But yeah, about to get unloaded, and then after this, on to the next one. It was really easy, not gonna lie. I had all this space, but y'all get it. But yeah, see you on the next one.